Let me tell you something.
Oh no, Walter.
Give me my shoe. I know it. That hurts so bad.
Get a great thing, they said. It'll be great, they said. God, you're not a lap dog.
You?
High five. Too slow. High five. High five. You pops too slow.
Look, 2 hands.
Hey, okay.
And 1. Go.
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
Huh?
Yeah.
He said.
Really? Really?
Do you like blueberries?
Excuse me, sir.
Just in case anyone was wondering what it's like to take a walk with a bulldog.
The person I connected to the most is Aisha. But I need to learn how to be open more, and that's what I'm going to do today.
In a former life, did you used to be a human?
Alright, come here. Say, I love you. Nice one, Maddox.
check her out, yo. She over there loving him. Look at Linda. She is not scared of him. Look. She like, man, let me love you, Pop. Look at his face.
So my mom and my dad thought I was acting a little too cuckoo, and then I got aggressive at the park.
My happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, the happy dog. Oh, just.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Up. Mika, you don't need makeup. You're already so beautiful. Here you go. Let me get the other side. Wow, you look so pretty. You like it? You like it?
Let me take it off.
Tells you anything different, he's a liar and a snake. You. Okay.
Parkour! Parkour! Extreme! Parkour!
This is parkour.
Okay, come on. Damn. Look at Archie's face. Look at his face. What's wrong, Archie?
Hey Bruno, you don't see the problem with that? Hey, don't ignore me. Huh?
Or was that just a kind of a motivation?
拿下不是拿下，拿下不是拿下。
Simona. Simona. Simona.
No. 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 You have an attitude problem. Yeah, you do. ¡Ah! ¡Ay, Miguel! ¡Miguel! ¡Hey! Oh, shit!
Doesn't always love his big sister.
Будешь лимончик? Лимончик. Ой! Вкусно? Слюнки потекли, девка.
Ronan, are you kidding me? Teddy, you're supposed to put it on the floor and let it bounce.
Plumberine, we're getting a cheeseburger. Woohoo!
You want to say something, say to my face. Say it again. Say it again.
Open the door or I'm going to throw rocks through your windows.
Давай.
Estoy loco. Estoy loco. La, 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 la.
Do you want a treat? Pete, do you want a treat? Do you guys want all the treats?
Hi.
Now get her.
Beauty park.
My turn.
I think every dog does that. Come here, Lucy. Lucy, come here.
Don't touch her. She's not yours to touch. No!
Okay. Stella, we're here.
Excuse me. Can you please sit down? I think she's funny. Sit your butt down. I know you love me, but seriously, can I not have a moment?
There's so much shit.
Oh! I want to show Bethany her BBL.
Say I love you. Say I love you.
Oh, let me in. Go. Juno, I can't. Please open. Thank you. Thank you.
What is this? What is this? What'd you do? Vinny, were you in on it?
What?
We are so excited. You ready? We're gonna go outside and pew. Yeet.